Hello traders, how are you doing? It's been a while since I last dropped a video for us here on the beginner series. Now today I want us to look at something that is really crucial as you're trading the forex markets. Today I want us to look at sessions, okay? How to put sessions on your trading view, on your charts, so that you know what time of the day, you orient what time of the day you're in with the session you're trading on the market, right? So for almost all traders out there, I advise you to use TradingView for analysis. But this software, depending on the broker that you're using to analyze your charts, okay? Like right now I'm using forex.com for gold. Sometimes there are times that the times differ from your current time zone, okay? So the best thing to do is to have that indicator so that you don't confuse these sessions, to have this indicator on the charts for you, and it will guide you which session is coming in after the other and at what time of the day, okay? If you're not yet familiar with this, the indicator is pretty simple. It's an easy one to actually attach to the charts. You add it there, and then all you need to do is follow along. So these are some of the trades I took yesterday. Today, yeah, just leave those alone. So if you want to add this indicator, first thing you're going to do is come to indicators, right? Which is right here. Yeah, you come to indicators there, and then you're going to go ahead and look for sessions. Just search for sessions, and then it will bring this sessions by Lux Algo, okay? Sessions by Lux Algo. So you can tap here to make it your favorite, and then you click, it will add it to the charts, and then when you come back, you have all these sessions, how they overlap and all that, okay? So you see, now I believe that the Asian session is entering. That's Sydney. So you can see you have let me take that up. So you have Tokyo, London, and then London, New York. And as you can see, my trade, I traded it during the London session. When New York entered, the reversal came. Even yesterday, you can see my buy was in the London session, and then it bought in the London, sold still in the London. When the New York session was coming, the reversals also came in. But basically, yeah, that's how you add these sessions on the market. You can go ahead and edit the colors if you want, colors of these things. You settings, and then you change the colors to what you want, right? So I would advise you don't keep this. I would advise you don't keep it on like the entire time. So if you want to hide it, you can click there and it goes, and you analyze your charts normally, and then you can bring it back to know where you are. So yeah, that's basically how you add your sessions indicator on the charts to keep track of trading sessions. Please subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one.